1. Boosts cardio fitness. Cycling is an excellent way to get your heart pumping. Cardiovascular or aerobic workouts, such as cycling, strengthen your heart, lungs, and muscles. They also improve the flow of blood and oxygen throughout your body. This, in turn, can benefit your health in a number of ways, including improved memory and brain functioning, lower blood pressure, better sleep, improved blood sugar levels, a stronger immune system, better mood, lower stress levels, more energy. 2. Can help with weight loss. Depending on the intensity of your workout and your body weight, you can burn more than 600 calories an hour with a stationary bike workout. This makes indoor cycling an excellent workout option for burning calories quickly. Burning more calories than you consume is the key to weight loss. Three. Burns body fat. Working out at a high intensity helps to burn calories and build strength, which, in turn, can lead to fat loss. A 2010 study, trusted source, found that indoor cycling, combined with a low-calorie diet, was effective in reducing body weight and body fat in the study's participants. It was also effective in lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels. The participants cycled for 45 minutes 3 times per week, and they consumed 1,200 calories per day for 12 weeks. Four. Provides a low-impact workout. A stationary bike workout is a low-impact workout that uses smooth movements to strengthen bones and joints without putting much pressure on them. This makes it a good workout option for people with joint issues or injuries. Your ankles, knees, hips, and other joints can be put under a lot of stress when running, jogging, jumping, or doing other high-impact aerobic exercises. Because your feet don't lift off the pedals with a stationary bike, this option is kinder to your joints, but it still provides a challenging and effective workout. Five. Strengthens legs and lower body muscles. Riding a stationary bike can help build strength in your legs and lower body, especially if you use a higher resistance. The pedaling action can help strengthen your calves, hamstrings, and quadriceps. Additionally, it can work the muscles in your core, back, and glutes. If you use a bicycle with handles, you'll also be able to work your upper body muscles, including your biceps, triceps, and shoulders. 6. Allows for interval training. Interval training allows you to alternate short bursts of intense exercise with longer intervals of less intense exercise. This type of training can help you burn more calories in less time, and also elevate your cardio fitness. Stationary bikes allow for varied resistance levels, so you can exercise at low, medium, or high intensities. This makes it ideal for an interval training workout. 7. Safer than road cycling. Cycling outdoors can be a great way to exercise, but it does come with certain hazards, such as inattentive drivers, uneven or slick road surfaces, and poor visibility. Also, if it's hot and humid, or cold and wet, it can be hard to muster up the motivation to head outdoors. It might not even be safe to do so. With indoor cycling, you don't have to be concerned about traffic, road conditions, or the elements. You can work out safely at a comfortable temperature any time of the year.